Imagine this. The moon is high, the world is hushed in slumber, and you're about to discover the mystique of an everyday hero, Clove Oil. It's a story of nightly enchantment, a tale that unfolds while you dream. What happens when you invite this unassuming oil into your nighttime routine? Get ready for an odyssey of the extraordinary. In this video, we'll unlock the captivating secrets of Clove Oil's nocturnal wonders. It's more than just a soothing scent. It's an elixir of transformation. The kind of transformation that makes you question why you haven't tried it before. So brace yourself for a roller coaster of intrigue as we delve into the mesmerizing world of what unfolds when you introduce the magic of clove oil into your night. But the story doesn't stop there. As we venture deeper into the captivating world of clove oil, we'll uncover its powers, from the land of dreams to the realm of skin, from the heart of immunity to the haven of relaxation. Stay with us. The night is young, and so is the story of clove oil. Number 1. A Nighttime Alchemist. Night, a mystical time when your body repairs and rejuvenates. Now, imagine having an alchemist's touch to this nightly process. Clove oil is your magical wand, waving its enchantment during your peaceful slumber. Clove oil is more than an aromatic delight. It's a transformative presence in the stillness of night. Think of it as your personal alchemist, blending restorative sleep, skin rejuvenation, immune fortification, and serene relaxation. But before we delve into these mesmerizing effects, let's understand the enigmatic elixir itself. Clove oil, derived from the dried flower buds of the Syzygium aromaticum tree, is an ancient treasure trove of wellness. Its potent compounds, including eugenol, create a symphony of soothing sensations for your body and mind. Number 2. Clove Oil Unleashed. Clove oil, a gift from the botanical world, holds within it an array of treasures, and it's time to unlock its secrets. Derived from the dried flower buds of the Syzygium aromaticum tree, this oil is much more than its captivating aroma. The magic of clove oil lies in its primary compound, eugenol, which possesses extraordinary anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. It's a natural powerhouse with multifaceted applications, and when the night descends, it's the star of the show. This elixir is an embodiment of nature's wisdom, combining antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant characteristics. It's like an age-old secret finally unveiled. The rich, warm aroma is just the beginning. Clove oil is your nighttime confidant, a holistic wellness coach for the nocturnal hours. It is a natural fit for the mysteries of the night, promoting deep sleep, nurturing your skin, enhancing your immunity, and casting a soothing spell for relaxation. Number 3. The sweet lullaby of sleep. Sleep, the elixir of life, and clove oil, your lullaby for the night. What if we told you that your nights could be filled with more than just dreams? They could be a sanctuary of deep, restorative slumber. When applied at night, clove oil is like a gentle whisper to your senses. Its warm, soothing aroma calms your mind, inviting you into the realm of dreams. As you inhale its essence, it's as though the day's worries melt away into the night. But the magic doesn't end there. Clove oil, with its eugenol content, has the power to influence your sleep quality. By reducing pain and discomfort, it ensures your nights are peaceful and undisturbed. If you've had aches, pains, or even restlessness, clove oil is your ally. It's time to rediscover the art of deep sleep, and it begins with a drop of clove oil. Number 4. The canvas of skin rejuvenation. Your skin, like a canvas, tells a story of your health and well-being. Clove oil, when invited into your nightly ritual, is the artist's brush that strokes your skin with rejuvenation and beauty. Clove oil's analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties make it the ultimate soother for skin irritations and blemishes. Imagine a touch of it as a calming whisper, reducing redness, itching, or the occasional blemish. But the wonders of clove oil for your skin go beyond mere soothing. It's packed with antioxidants, like vitamins A and C, which act as your skin's guardians. They shield it from the harmful effects of free radicals, slowing down the aging process and revealing a radiant, youthful complexion each morning. Imagine waking up to a fresher, glowing version of yourself, courtesy of your nightly rendezvous with clove oil. The magic lies in its capacity to nurture your skin while you rest, revealing a more beautiful you every day. Number 5. Fortifying Immunity. As the world outside sleeps, your body is wide awake, silently fortifying its defenses. Clove oil, your unsung hero, plays a crucial role in this nocturnal battle for immunity. Its antiseptic properties are a powerful ally in warding off microbial intruders. When you apply clove oil at night, you're enlisting a guardian for your body's natural defense mechanisms. It's the silent sentinel ensuring your immunity stays vigilant. But clove oil doesn't stop there. It's a treasury of nutrients, offering vitamins C and K, minerals, and antioxidants. During the night, your body utilizes these treasures for repair and growth, much like an alchemist's potion. Clove oil is your partner in the rejuvenation of your body's natural defenses. The night's silence is the canvas upon which this magical elixir weaves its charms, making your immunity stronger with every application. As we venture further into the captivating story of clove oil at night, you'll discover how it can bring relaxation and serenity to your nights. So, if you're ready to embrace a restful sanctuary each evening, stay with us for the next chapter in this wondrous tale. Number 6. A Symphony of Tranquility. The night is a tapestry of dreams, but it's also a realm of tranquility waiting to be explored. Clove oil, your guide through this nocturnal journey, transforms your nights into serene and peaceful interludes. As you inhale the gentle aroma of clove oil, it's like a calming lullaby, sweeping away the stresses of the day. The aromatic compounds create a haven of relaxation, where your mind unwinds, preparing for a night of blissful slumber. But there's more to this tale. Clove oil's analgesic properties work wonders in releasing tension and discomfort. It's the soothing embrace that ensures you enter the world of dreams with a sense of serenity, leaving behind the burdens of the day. Each night, your body resets and rejuvenates, and clove oil is the gentle caress that makes the transition smooth and tranquil. As we progress, you'll discover how to make this magical elixir a part of your nightly ritual, ensuring each night is a sanctuary of peace. Number 7. How to apply clove oil at night. Incorporating clove oil into your nighttime routine is a simple yet profound practice. It's about creating a soothing ritual that paves the way for peaceful slumber. Here's how to do it. 1. Dilute the oil. Clove oil is potent, so always dilute it with a carrier oil like coconut or almond oil. A rule of thumb is about 1% to 5% clove oil in your blend. 2. Patch test. Before applying to a larger area, conduct a patch test on a small section of your skin to ensure there are no allergic reactions. 3. Massage. Gently massage the diluted clove oil onto your chosen areas, be it your face, neck, temples, or even the soles of your feet for full body relaxation. 4. Inhale. Cup your hands over your nose and take a few deep breaths to inhale the calming aroma. It's a perfect way to relax your mind before sleep. 5. Unwind. Take a moment to relax, meditate, or enjoy a good book. Let the clove oil work its enchantment. By following these steps, you're not only enjoying the myriad benefits of clove oil, but also creating a serene nighttime ritual that enhances your overall well-being. In the upcoming sections, we'll discuss essential safety considerations and potential side effects to ensure your experience with clove oil is both enjoyable and secure. So, stay with us as we venture deeper into the world of clove oil's nighttime marvels. Number 8. Safety considerations. While clove oil can be a remarkable addition to your nightly routine, it's crucial to use it with care. Here are some safety considerations to keep in mind. 1. Dilution. Always dilute clove oil with a carrier oil to prevent skin irritation. A general guideline is about 1% to 5% clove oil in your blend. 2. Patch test. Before applying clove oil to a larger area, perform a patch test on a small section of skin to ensure you don't have any allergic reactions. 3. Avoid sensitive areas. Steer clear of applying clove oil to sensitive areas, such as near the eyes or on mucous membranes. 4. Consult a professional. If you're pregnant, nursing, or have a medical condition, it's wise to consult a healthcare professional before using clove oil. 5. Quality matters. Invest in high-quality, pure clove oil from a reputable source to ensure its safety and effectiveness. By keeping these safety tips in mind, you can enjoy the benefits of clove oil without any worries. Number 9. Potential side effects. While clove oil offers a range of benefits, it's essential to be aware of potential side effects. Excessive use of undiluted clove oil can lead to skin irritation, burning, or redness. It can also cause allergic reactions in some individuals. Inhaling concentrated clove oil for extended periods may result in respiratory issues. So, it's crucial to use it in moderation and always dilute it with a suitable carrier oil. If you experience any adverse reactions, discontinue use immediately and consult a healthcare professional. Conclusion and final thoughts. As we close the chapter on our exploration of clove oil's nocturnal marvels, it's evident that this unassuming elixir holds the keys to a world of restful nights and wellness. Clove oil, with its enchanting aroma and multifaceted properties, transforms your nights into tranquil sanctuaries. It is more than an aromatic delight. It's a holistic healer, nurturing restorative sleep, rejuvenating your skin, fortifying your immunity, and casting a soothing spell for relaxation. But remember, the path to embracing the magic of clove oil at night requires mindfulness. Dilute the oil, perform a patch test, and be aware of potential side effects. With these precautions, your nights will be not only restful but also filled with well-being. If you found this journey as captivating as we have, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more enlightening insights into the world of natural remedies. Thank you for joining us, and may your nights forever be enriched by the soothing embrace of clove oil.